Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to install Microsoft Office to your Mac. So for doing this you just need to open Google Chrome. So after you just need to write in Google Chrome Microsoft Mac or in Safari, and after you just see first link, official link from Microsoft. So here you can also just see for home, for business, for home for example, and also just choose your language. Here you can see price of it. Also you can download it from App Store, so just open App Store. Maybe we can find some trial version for some trial period of time. So let's write here Word for example, or here you can see Microsoft Word. So just tap on Get button. So here you can see how you can also download it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.